to recover a deleted story on TikTok. If you've accidentally deleted a story and want to get it back, keep watching because that method actually works. First, open the TikTok and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, look for the recently deleted folder, which is where TikTok keeps deleted content for a short period. To check this folder, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner or go to settings. Here, type in settings in privacy or privacy. Scroll down and tap on recently deleted or deleted content. If your story is there, you can easily restore it. If you don't find your deleted story in the recently deleted folder, your next option is to contact TikTok support. They may be able to help you recover content that was deleted by mistake. Here, now again go back and tap on report a problem. Now choose the relevant issue like content issue or account and profile. Now follow the prompts to report your deleted story or request recovery. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible about the story and when it was deleted. If you've been backing up your TikTok data to a cloud service or have synced your phone's data on photos and videos, check those backups. Sometimes deleted content can be recovered from those backups. And there you have it. These are the steps you can take to try to recover a deleted story on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.